Practicing my twig stove, and yeah, it's raining. Got a tarp cover up here. Twigs have dried out nicely, been in the hot water cupboard. It's tiny though. Right, put some barbecue briquettes on there. Once they start to catch, I'm going to cook me a steak. This is actually a windshield. I think I got it at Aldi. That's working quite good as a tarp. Comes with 3 poles as well, which is quite handy, although they're not that high. See, there. I've got 2 other poles that are from an old big tent I'm using down this end. But it's not too bad. It's smoking a bit. To leave those and see if those catch or not. Right, she's on. Let's see if she cooks. Took a while, but it's finally done.